Okay, so our vegetables, I've washed it like twice now. So you don't really have to wash it because it's ready to use, but I just like to wash it. And actually you don't have to, but I just like to wash it in case it has like chemicals, preservatives and stuff. Okay. That is ready. Just set it aside. Now let's get our shrimps. I'm just gonna do 6 of that. I also use this one. This one, I think I'll just use 2 of it. Yeah, that should be good. Now, should I do 2 more? Okay, let's do 2 more. Let's make it 4. Okay, just wash it and set it aside with the mixed vegetables as well. So we'll just leave that in here and then we'll start prepping our onions and pepper. Start from it. This back in the freezer. Get 1 shallot, and I think I have half an onion that I used yesterday. Just take that. Take this knife. Let's use this knife instead. Let's dice our onions. We want something else. Okay, let's start frying our vegetables. Okay, let's start frying our vegetables. I'm just gonna put some oil in here. And we'll start with our onions and our shrimps. Okay, our oil is hot and ready now, so let's pour in our onions. I'll let that fry properly, then we'll come put in our shrimps. Okay, our onions has browned beautifully well. So now let's put our shrimps so it can fry a little bit, and then we'll put our vegetables. Just going to put a little bit of salt so that the shrimp can have some taste. Nice. Let's let that cook for a few minutes. So I'm going to take out our shrimp so it doesn't overcook. Okay, so I just put some our scotch bonnet, and I'm going to put in our thyme, a little bit, not too much. A little bit of oregano. I actually bought it from Winco and poured it in this Goya plastic, and some thyme. Okay, so mix that up, and then we'll come put our vegetables. Our onions has really fried well, beautiful, nice, and look at all that onions has become this small. I like it. I learned to make onions like shrink like this in Kenya. It has like a special flavor it adds to the meal. So now let's put in our vegetables. And also I also want to put in some smoked turkey. So I'll just put in the smoked turkey and our vegetables as well. And I'll just let that cook for a while. So here's our smoked turkey and our vegetables. So just putting everything in there. Oh, that curry smells so good. So good. And also I have some carrots, some fresh carrot that I just washed and chopped up. So just going to pour that in as well. I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt and chicken cube, and then let it cover it up and let it cook for a while. Some salt, not too much, and some chicken powder. Just cover that up and let it cook beautifully well for a few minutes. Alright, our vegetables has cooked beautifully well, so it's time to introduce our rice. our rice is cooked well there as well. So we're just gonna pour in the rice and mix it all up. Okay, let's put our shrimps back in there. I want all the juice, the shrimp juice. Okay, let's mix that baby up. Just gonna reduce the fire as we mix it. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this to simmer a bit, and our rice will be ready. Our delicious fried rice, our delicious vegetable rice will be yummily ready. Delicious shrimp rice will be ready. Okay, let me cover that up and let it simmer for a few minutes. Okay, our rice is kind of almost ready. So I just want to fry some plantain so we can have some rice and plantain. So let's put some oil in this pot. I think I need more oil. I'm going to pour this plantain in.
About a lot of these questions, let's get into the actual planning. One thing that really helped me last year and this year when it comes to setting financial goals is knowing what your core desire and your core thing is when it comes to your finances. And so it's actually easier to answer the core fair question first before they actually answer the core desire question. But even if you just asking yourself, like, what is the main objective?
My plantain is ready. Let's take this out. Turn off that fan. It's so loud. Okay, I am excited because I'm ready to eat, guys. Ready to eat. I am excited. Okay, our plantain is nice and ready. So let's dish up our food. Okay. Ooh. I'm excited. Stick some rice here. Oh no. I think it's best I do it this way. Let's get some of that nice shrimp. And this tail on shrimp was that. And some of the turkey. And of course, some of our plantain. Nice, nice, nice. All right, it's time to eat, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this with your family. This is so good. Let's taste it. Oh my God, this is delicious, guys. You need to try this. I know this is a normal food in every Nigerian's house, I guess. So just so delicious. I love it. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
The recent rise comes as multiple states reported